Nestled in the heart of the American Northwest, Idaho often finds itself overshadowed by its more illustrious neighbors. States like California and Washington tend to steal the spotlight with their bustling cities and famous landmarks. But for those who take the time to explore, Idaho offers a different kind of allure, one that is deeply rooted in its natural splendor and serene landscapes. Yet, for those who venture beyond the well-trodden paths, Idaho reveals itself as a land of breathtaking beauty and unparalleled tranquility. The state is crisscrossed with hidden trails that lead to some of the most scenic vistas in the country. Whether you're an avid hiker or a casual nature lover, there's always something new to discover in Idaho's vast wilderness. It is a state where towering mountains pierce the sky, their snow-capped peaks mirrored in the depths of pristine glacial lakes. These mountains are not just a sight to behold. They offer a range of activities from skiing in the winter to mountain biking in the summer. The glacial lakes, with their crystal-clear waters, are perfect for kayaking, fishing, or simply soaking in the natural beauty. Idaho is a realm of cascading waterfalls, their thunderous roars echoing through ancient forests. These waterfalls are often hidden gems, tucked away in remote corners of the state, waiting to be discovered by the intrepid explorer. The forests themselves are a testament to the state's rich biodiversity, home to a variety of flora and fauna that thrive in this untouched environment. The state's name itself, though shrouded in mystery, is believed to originate from a Native American word meaning gem of the mountains. This name is fitting, as Idaho is rich in natural resources including precious gemstones like garnets and opals. The Native American heritage is deeply woven into the fabric of Idaho, with numerous sites and artifacts that tell the story of the land's original inhabitants. And truly, Idaho is a gem. Its landscapes a dazzling mosaic of rugged mountains, verdant valleys, and sparkling rivers. These rivers are the lifeblood of the state, providing not only stunning scenery but also opportunities for whitewater rafting and fly fishing. The valleys with their lush greenery are perfect for camping and picnicking, offering a peaceful retreat from the hustle and bustle of everyday life. It is a place where the air is crisp and clean, where the stars shine with an almost unreal brilliance, and where the silence is broken only by the whisper of the wind through the pines. The night sky in Idaho is a spectacle in itself, free from the light pollution that plagues many urban areas. Stargazing here is an experience that leaves one in awe of the universe. Idaho is a sanctuary for those seeking solace in the embrace of nature. Whether it's meditating by a secluded forest stream or finding a quiet spot to read a book, the state's natural settings provide the perfect backdrop for relaxation and reflection. The tranquility found here is a balm for the soul, offering a much-needed escape from the stresses of modern life. It is a playground for adventurers drawn to the challenge of its untamed wilderness. From rock climbing to kayaking, Idaho offers a plethora of outdoor activities that cater to thrill seekers and nature enthusiasts alike. The state's diverse terrain ensures that there's always a new adventure waiting just around the corner. But above all, Idaho is a testament to the power and majesty of the natural world, a place where one can truly reconnect with the rhythms of the earth. The state's untouched landscapes serve as a reminder of the beauty and resilience of nature, encouraging visitors to appreciate and protect these precious environments. In this exploration of Idaho, we will delve into the heart of this natural wonderland. We will uncover the hidden gems that make this state a unique and captivating destination. From its scenic trails to its vibrant wildlife, every aspect of Idaho's natural beauty will be brought to light. We will traverse its diverse landscapes from the soaring peaks of the Rockies to the rolling hills of the Palouse. Each region of Idaho offers its own unique charm and set of experiences, making it a state that is as diverse as it is beautiful. We will encounter its remarkable wildlife, from the majestic elk to the elusive mountain lion. Idaho's forests and mountains are teeming with life, offering countless opportunities for wildlife watching and photography. And we will discover why Idaho, the gem of the mountains, is a destination that should be on every nature lover's bucket list. Its unspoiled beauty and diverse landscapes make it a haven for those seeking to reconnect with nature and experience the great outdoors in its purest form. Idaho's landscape is a study in contrasts, a dramatic interplay of fire and ice where the forces of nature have sculpted a terrain that is as diverse as it is breathtaking. From the rugged mountain peaks that pierce the sky to the icy glacial landscapes that shimmer in the sunlight, Idaho's geography tells a story of ancient geological processes and natural beauty. The state is a land of towering heights and sweeping plains, where the elevation changes dramatically from one region to another. This variation creates a mosaic of ecosystems, each with its own unique flora and fauna. The state is bisected by the formidable Rocky Mountains, a range that stretches from Canada to New Mexico. These mountains are not just a physical barrier, but a defining feature of Idaho's landscape. Their jagged peaks forming a natural spine that runs north to south. The Rockies are a haven for outdoor enthusiasts, offering countless opportunities for hiking, climbing, and exploring. These mountains, sculpted by millennia of glacial activity, are home to some of the most rugged and awe-inspiring scenery in the American West. The glacial valleys, with their steep walls and U-shaped profiles, are a testament to the power of ice in shaping the land. To the east of the Rockies lies the vast expanse of the Snake River Plain, a region that stretches across southern Idaho. This plain is a geological wonder formed by volcanic activity millions of years ago, a region shaped by volcanic forces millions of years ago. The plain's volcanic past is evident in its landscape, with rolling hills and vast stretches of sagebrush-covered plains. This seemingly barren landscape, characterized by its rolling hills and sagebrush-covered plains, is a testament to the enduring power of nature. Despite its harsh conditions, the Snake River Plain supports a surprising diversity of life, is a testament to the enduring power of nature. The rugged terrain and vast plains are home to a variety of plants and animals that have adapted to the challenging environment. Yet, even here, life finds a way, with hardy species that have evolved to thrive in the arid conditions. From the resilient sagebrush to the elusive pronghorn, the plain is teeming with life. And the plain is home to a surprising array of plants and animals that have adapted to its harsh conditions. The flora and fauna of the Snake River Plain are a testament to the resilience of life in the face of adversity. Winding its way through the heart of Idaho is the mighty Snake River, a lifeline that has shaped the state's geography and supported its inhabitants for millennia, its waters carving a path through canyons and valleys. The Snake River's journey through Idaho is a dramatic one, with the river cutting through rugged landscapes and creating deep canyons. This iconic river, the largest tributary of the Columbia River, is a vital resource for the state. Its waters are used for irrigation, providing the lifeblood for Idaho's agricultural industry. Is a lifeline for the state, providing irrigation for agriculture and hydroelectric power for its cities. The river's hydroelectric dams generate a significant portion of Idaho's electricity, powering homes and businesses across the state. But it is also a source of recreation and adventure, drawing visitors from near and far to experience its wild waters, offering opportunities for whitewater rafting, fishing, and other water-based activities. The Snake River is a playground for those seeking thrills and a connection with nature, and simply soaking in the beauty of its riparian landscapes. The riverbanks are lined with lush vegetation, providing a stark contrast to the arid plains and rugged mountains. Idaho's geographical diversity is further enhanced by its numerous lakes and rivers. These water bodies are scattered across the state, each offering its own unique charm and recreational opportunities. From the pristine waters of Lake Coeur d'Alene in the north, known for its crystal-clear waters and scenic beauty, to the sprawling expanse of Bear Lake in the southeast, a popular destination for boating, fishing, and swimming. These bodies of water provide a haven for wildlife and offer endless opportunities for recreation. The lakes are teeming with fish, attracting anglers from all over, while the surrounding areas are perfect for hiking and wildlife watching. Whether it's casting a line for trout in a mountain stream where the waters are cool and clear, or kayaking across a crystal-clear lake surrounded by the tranquility of nature, Idaho's waterways are an integral part of its natural tapestry. They provide not only a sustenance and power, but also a connection to the natural world that is both profound and invigorating. Idaho's commitment to preserving its natural heritage is evident in its extensive network of state parks and recreation areas. These parks are not just patches of green on a map. They are living, breathing ecosystems that play a crucial role in maintaining the environmental balance. From the dense forests that act as the lungs of the region to the rivers and lakes that provide habitats for countless species, Idaho's parks are a testament to the state's dedication to conservation. These protected lands, encompassing millions of acres, showcase the state's remarkable biodiversity. The variety of flora and fauna found here is astounding, with species ranging from the majestic elk and moose to the delicate wildflowers that carpet the forest floor in spring. Each park offers a unique glimpse into the natural world, providing sanctuary for wildlife and a haven for nature enthusiasts, and offer visitors a chance to experience its wilderness firsthand. Whether you're an avid hiker, a passionate birdwatcher, or someone who simply enjoys the tranquility of nature, Idaho's parks have something to offer. The well-maintained trails and campsites make it easy for visitors to immerse themselves in the natural beauty that surrounds them. One such gem is the Sawtooth National Recreation Area, a sprawling wilderness of jagged peaks, alpine lakes, and dense forests. This area is a paradise for outdoor enthusiasts, offering a wide range of activities from hiking and mountain biking to fishing and kayaking. The stunning landscapes and diverse ecosystems make it a must-visit destination for anyone looking to explore Idaho's natural beauty. This hiker's paradise, named for its iconic sawtooth-shaped mountain range, offers over 700 miles of trails. These trails vary in difficulty, catering to both novice hikers and seasoned adventurers. Along the way, you'll encounter breathtaking vistas, serene alpine meadows, and crystal-clear lakes that reflect the towering peaks above, that win through some of the most breathtaking scenery in the American West. As the sun sets over the Sawtooth Mountains, the landscape is bathed in a golden glow, creating a magical atmosphere that is sure to leave a lasting impression on all who visit. Further south, Shoshone Falls, aptly nicknamed the Niagara of the West, plunges dramatically over a 212-foot basalt cliff. The sheer power and majesty of the falls are awe-inspiring, drawing visitors from far and wide to witness this natural spectacle. Its roar a testament to the raw power of nature. The mist rising from the base of the falls creates a mesmerizing display, often accompanied by rainbows that add to the enchanting scene. It's a place where you can truly feel the force of nature at work. This natural wonder, surrounded by a scenic park, is a popular destination for visitors who come to witness its awe-inspiring beauty. The park offers numerous vantage points for viewing the falls, as well as picnic areas where families can relax and enjoy the stunning surroundings. Craters of the Moon National Monument and Preserve offers a glimpse into the state's volcanic past. This unique landscape, formed by ancient volcanic activity, is unlike anything else in Idaho. The stark, rugged terrain is a testament to the powerful geological forces that have shaped the region over millennia. This otherworldly landscape, characterized by its lava fields, cinder cones, and volcanic caves, provides a fascinating contrast to the lush forests and alpine meadows found elsewhere in the state. Exploring this area is like stepping onto another planet, with its dark, rocky surfaces and unusual formations, is a stark reminder of the forces that shaped Idaho's landscape. The park offers guided tours and educational programs that delve into the geological history of the area, making it a great destination for both adventure seekers and those interested in learning more about the natural world. These are but a few examples of the many natural treasures that await discovery in Idaho. Each park and recreation area has its own unique charm and offers a different perspective on the state's diverse landscapes. From towering mountains to serene lakes, Idaho's natural beauty is truly unparalleled. From the towering redwoods of Hells Canyon National Recreation Area, where the trees seem to touch the sky and the canyon walls rise dramatically from the river below, to the pristine shores of Lake Penorai, Idaho's parks and recreation areas offer something for everyone. Whether you're looking to embark on a challenging hike, enjoy a peaceful day of fishing, or simply take in the breathtaking views, you'll find it all here. Whether it's hiking, camping, fishing, or simply soaking in the beauty of the natural world, Idaho's parks and recreation areas are a testament to the state's commitment to preserving its natural heritage and providing opportunities for people to connect with the great outdoors. So pack your bags, lace up your hiking boots, and get ready to explore the incredible natural wonders that Idaho has to offer.